coming back to our house, we start to creating those designer walls. As you see, those walls are just made for to keeping like washing machines or maybe a closet of some sort or and stuff like this. So let's create those walls. Let's first measure them. This one is, so they are thinner than the actual walls that we do and we did. So this is, let's consider it 0.1 meters, so 10 centimeters. So you drag this. I want to lock it always so it just doesn't snap by mistake. So I press the left arrow, 0.1, I type 0.9, press enter. And now what I want you to do and how we can create this is create a line. So first we have to have a wall here. Uh, First we have to have also the ending of this wall. So let's start dragging a line from here, disable the wall, so we end something like here 0.6. Okay, so this will be our wall. What we want to do is if we want to pull this, so we don't push it anymore, we pull it out. So for this we need lines. The best way to do it is to take this line tool, continue this line until here, until it says on edge. Okay, so I have the intersection, I need the intersection point. Then I create another reference line. I want to lock it always, and I'm looking for the intersection point. Again, if you go in the front, you will see that it snaps much faster than if you go from above or something like this. I enable again the line tool. I need the X, I need to see the X for intersection. I go up. I want maybe to lock it, press up arrow, and anywhere I go, it just goes up. And I'm here constraint on the line. Okay, so I'm on the line. Now I enable the push-pull tool. You see it created another surface, so I just push it until here. So I can push it all the way, but when I go like this, it will snap to my other reference line. That's why we are creating the reference line. And this is the first area of depositing stuff. Okay, the second one, it's somewhere here. It's probably harder to see. We can use a section plane in this case, or we can work directly here. It's up to you. I prefer to use a section plane. So go like this, have a line. This is my section plane line. I lock it in this area. I go here, now it's much easier to see. I disable the walls. Okay, so let's start dragging some lines. So I drag some lines, disable the walls, I lock it, and I want to, so I have my first one here. As we know, as we decided, those walls are kind of just closet walls or something like this. So I drag it, I lock it, and I type 0.1. I want to have a thick line. So, and then just in case I don't have it, but I have the second line, so I need this piece to be pulled out. For this, I enable again the line tool. Okay, this one, I click, I'm waiting for the X for this intersection point. I start dragging it, but in order to be exact, I push the up arrow because then it will lock on a horizontal axis. And I click until here. Again, I'm looking for the second one. Up arrow again. Then enable the push-pull tool. Pull it until here, more or less. So it's the same as this wall. So now from this one, if I disable, I see that in the next part is the door, the D2. Then I go and pick the rectangle tool. I go up. I lock it again with the left arrow, and I put 0.9, 2.2. I type. I have the door. Press P for push, and I have on face, and here I have the door. So now I can delete my section plane. Okay. So this is my closet area, or the depositing area. Okay, I disable the walls. I see that there is a small one also inside. So let's rotate it. We can go to not to display. We can go to the scenes, standard views. Let's go from the plan, or let's go from the east elevation. We zoom out to see where we are. We don't need the east elevation. We need more or less this kind of section. Close, enable the tags, disable the walls, and let's drag a line to see where this ends. So here, more or less. Again, you do it here with the lines and push the wall out.